Well, hello YouTube. In this tutorial, objective will be to write very simple, rudimentary, basically C program that will calculate average of two numbers. We will grab those numbers through keyboard, so basically end user input. Let's establish first and second number. First number, we are talking about integers here. You can use floats if you like. And second number, right. Now, float, of course, there is a great chance that that average will be float. So float is a end result, average, or call it result or whatever you like. And now message to end user for a first number, like enter first number, little bit of new line, and scanf, well-known function. With that function we are going to grab stuff and put it into first number, but of course that must be shift 7 on keyboard, ampersand, and absolutely same stuff for a second number. Right, let me copy paste here to save a little bit of time. Second number, and this will also go to second number. So much about data acquisition. Now we will get we will get average when we say first number plus second number, and we will divide that by 2, of course, because we just have two numbers, and actually we can transfer this into, well, float. So this is basically from int into float. Okay, now we have a result. So printf, we will say in custom report average of first number placeholder d and second number placeholder d for integers is placeholder for floats. We can go to next line, why not, and concatenation with first number, because we must follow this order of grabbing stuff. So first number and second number, and then average, right. Hopefully this code will work. Let me just beautify it a little bit. Let's select all, right click, format using a style, so it's a little bit wider and nicer maybe to understand for some people. Right, so enter first number 10, second number 20, which means 15 is average, 15 point blah 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 zeros, which means we must fix this report here. How we are going to fix it? Well, you can just type like dot and 2. That means after dot in the result there will be two numbers. I mean part of average. So yeah, let's test that again with the same numbers as input. There you go, 15.00. You can like have multiple numbers here, like 3 or 4. It depends what kind of precision you like. But also you can shift the position of report like to right. So for example, if you say 10 before dot, that means that for 10 characters, like average on a custom report will be shifted to right. So let's do that with the same input to have things simplified, and there you go. So you have 10 characters here or something like that. Right. Maybe not from here to here, but to here. So it's basically it's a shifting. Basically it's a shifting. It depends what you like, you know. Let's have 6 here, I don't know, something like that. Same input, 20, and there you go. Okay, it depends what you like. Guys, very simple source code intended to be used by beginners in C. Very simple stuff. Basically you can transfer this into many other programming languages if you're practicing, but once when you learn how to do that into C, you can just easily go into any other language. And if you're using Python, for example, or some other stuff, you can basically have this on 2 or 3 lines of code, but this is C, so it's a little bit longer. Okay, that's it. Nothing special in this one. Thank you for sharing this channel. Thank you for subscription. And as always, see you next one, probably in a couple of minutes. So, ciao, ciao. See you there.